Welcome to the tutorial. PowerXL DG1 frequency drive. Commissioning of a permanent magnet motor. This tutorial shows how to commission an example permanent magnet motor, abbreviated PM motor in the following, on a PowerXL DG1 frequency drive. The following technical requirements must be met. A DG1 variable frequency drive with a firmware version greater than or equal to V36. A serial programming cable DXG-CBL-PC cable, or as used here, a standard LAN cable with RJ45 connectors, for example, DX-CBL3M0, for easy parameterization of the device via Modbus TCP. A note: with the DG1, the integrated keypad can also be used to make the necessary parameter settings. The PowerXL in-control programming software. No license is required for the PowerXL in-control programming software. The software for the PC can be downloaded at eaton.com/software. The motor datasheet of the PM motor to be used. Some general information on the PM motor. PM motors are synchronous motors which, unlike standard asynchronous motors, have no slip. They are essentially available in two different types: the IPM, integrated permanent magnet motor, and the SPM, surface permanent magnet motor. Essentially, the PM motor has a proportional behavior between motor torque and motor current, as well as between motor speed and motor voltage. In the IPM motor, the magnets are embedded in the rotor. It is suitable for high-speed requirements. In the motor model, the Q-axis inductance, LQ, has a significantly higher value than the D-axis inductance, LD. In the SPM motor, the magnets are attached to the rotor. It is not suitable for high-speed requirements. In the motor model, the Q-axis inductance, LQ, has approximately the same value as the D-axis inductance, LD. An SPM motor is used in this video tutorial. The prepared project for the startup of the PM motor was opened with the PowerXL in-control software. The general parameterization takes place in offline mode. As previously mentioned, the Modbus TCP connection is used for this project on the left in the network. The address 192.168.119.66 is used as the IP address in this tutorial. The DG1 with a rated current of 16 amps was selected as the device for the 7.5 kilowatt PM motor to be used with the multi-purpose application P21.1.2. A PM motor can only be selected in this application. In all other applications, parameter P1.22 motor type selection is not available for selecting the PM motor. The motor data is provided by the manufacturers in different representations. In the PM motor used here, the motor manufacturer provides the data shown below. The data for the rated motor current, P1.5, the rated motor speed, P1.6 with 1500 revolutions per minute, the power factor, P1.7 with 0.98, the rated motor voltage, P1.8 with 330 volts, and the rated motor frequency, P1.9 with 50 Hz were entered. The ramp times for acceleration, P1.3, and deceleration, P1.4, were set to 10 seconds for this tutorial. As previously mentioned, the motor type is selected via parameter P1.22 with the setting 2 equal to SPM. With the pre-selection of P1.22 equal to SPM, the parameter P8.1, motor control mode, is automatically set to PM control 1. If the rated frequency of the PM motor deviates from 50 Hz, the corresponding value must be set in parameter P8.5, field weakening point. A note: if there is a motor choke, a DU-DT filter, a sine filter, or an all-pole sine filter between the DG1 and the PM motor, this must be bypassed in order to correctly determine the motor model in the DG1. For cybersecurity reasons, communication via Modbus TCP is deactivated in the DG1 factory setting. To enable this, parameter P20.7.2 Modbus TCP enable is set to enable. Another aspect of cybersecurity is the setting of the trusted IP whitelist. With the configuration shown, the entire address range is classified as trustworthy. A further 2 address ranges could be added. To enable communication, the parameter P20.7.2 Modbus TCP enable is now changed from 0 to 1 enable via keypad. Alternatively, this setting could also be made via a serial Modbus RTU connection, for example via terminals 25 and 26. In the context menu of the actuator, which can be opened with the right mouse button, communication between the PC and the actuator can now be established. If the connection is successful, this is indicated by a green mark on both the Modbus TCP connection and the DG1 actuator. You will be asked whether the parameters from the DG1 online parameter set or the previously set offline parameters should be used. The previously configured offline parameter set is used here. If the DG1 is in stop status, further parameter changes can now be made in the online window according to the application requirements. Changed parameters are saved directly in the drive and do not require any additional action from the PowerXL in-control software. The setting of parameter P8.14 identification to identification no run was selected as the motor is connected to the load motor via the coupling. The setting identification with run should only be selected if the motor shaft is neither connected to a gearbox nor to a load motor. A start command on the DG1 is required within 30 seconds to start the motor identification. With the currently selected command source local, this is done by pressing the green button. The display flashes to indicate that motor identification has started. Press the left arrow button to switch to the multi-monitor display. A note: in this case, the motor identification process takes approximately 30 seconds. If no motor is connected, the error message Motor ID fault is displayed. After successful motor identification, the new values from P8.50 to P8.65 for the internal motor model of the DG1 frequency inverter are entered in the PowerXL in-control software. A note: the values determined for the internal motor model of the DG1 do not have to match the values specified in the motor manufacturer's datasheet. The optimization of a DG1 to a PM motor is shown in the following video. PowerXL DG1 variable frequency drive. Optimization of a PM motor is shown below. Thank you for your attention.